Hello there, this is Aaron with AG Real Estate Media. First of all, just wanted to thank you for your business. We always appreciate it. And wanted to quickly go over how to pay and download your completed images. So you're going to go ahead and scroll over to your email and open it up, and you're going to see a page that looks just like this. Now it may vary a little bit depending on what you ordered, but what's always going to be the same is that your photo links is right on top there. So let's go ahead and click that link that's on top, one of the blue writing, and that's going to open up the photo gallery. Now let's go ahead and hit view images or view gallery, and then you can see all your images are right here. Now you can scroll all the way through them, make sure they're all there and they all look good. Now once you do that, scroll back up to the top and you can hit Print Store and go ahead and select all photos download web sized. Another thing you could do is hover over any image and Print Store icon will show up on any image. It's a little handbag. But for this purpose, let's go ahead and just use this big Print Store button, then go ahead and hit all photo download web sized. Now you're going to hit add to cart, and then you can see that the all photos download is there. So let's go ahead and proceed to checkout. And you're going to have this little section here where you input your information. So let's go ahead and type in our information. All right. I want to preface this by saying whatever email you type in is going to be where the images are sent. So make sure there's no spelling errors and make sure this is an email you check regularly. That's pretty important. Alright, so once you double check everything and make sure everything looks good, go ahead and hit next. And then it'll automatically select digital delivery for you. That's what you want. So hit next. And this is where you go ahead and figure out which way you want to pay. There's Google Pay, credit card, or PayPal. So let's go ahead for this and select credit card. And let's go ahead and type that in. All right, your order is placed and you're going to see a page that looks just like this. And that means your order is been confirmed and sent, and you can go ahead and either hit finish or just close out of the page. All right, we're back at our email in our inbox, and if you scroll to the very top, you're going to see two new messages from AG Real Estate Media. The first message is just a receipt. We can go ahead and click on it and check it out. So it's just an order confirmation and a receipt of how much you paid and what was sent. So you can use that for tax purposes or to submit to your broker, whatever you need it for. It's a good receipt. But let's go back to the more important message, and that's your actual download link. So let's go ahead and click that. And as you can see, there's a button right in the middle, big gray button that says download photos. So let's go ahead and click download. It's going to take you to this black screen. And if you scroll to the very bottom, middle, you can see your order number there. And it's actually a link. It's kind of hard to tell that it's a link, but it's a link to a zip folder. Go ahead and click that bottom link, and you can see it's actually downloading here on top. And for the last step, you're going to go over to your download folder and click downloads. You're going to see your order and the order number. and go ahead and click on that zip folder. Once you click on it, you're going to see a folder called Highlights. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see all your images there. Then at the very top, you'll see an Extract All button. If not, you can go to the little menu icon and hit that, and then you'll see Extract All there. Once you hit Extract All, you can pick a folder, whether it's your desktop, or I just usually like to use the picture folder. Whatever folder you'd like, go ahead and click on that, select folder, and then hit Extract. And then once you hit that, all the images will be there in that folder, and then you are done. Well, that's it. Thanks again. We appreciate your business, and I hope you sell it quick. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.